Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So before we start this new video up, I'm just gonna show you of the last two pieces of the project. So this is the first piece. I'm not sure if you can see it in full. Yeah, right here. I love how the yellow and contrast with the main pour. It's pretty good. It turns out pretty good. The problem is, like, back then, like, I didn't cover the edges because I will cover the edges later. Just gonna cover it all in yellow, and that will be it. But I love this piece. This piece though. Now the second piece is the last video. No explanation needed. I mean, this is stunning. The teal, the turquoise, and the emerald. There's some sort of pop to it. Pretty good. I really love it, and the red dried the way I wanted it to dry, and just wow. It's really good. This project is going well. On today's episode, we're gonna have a base of iridescent violet blue. Now, I don't know why, but this to me is pink. Now, what's the complementary color that we're gonna be pouring today? I'm gonna be choosing green and yellow. Now, for those who know the color wheel, you guys probably going, whoa, 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 Eclipse, hold on, son. Don't you think that this green is too dark? Well, it is too dark because it's a hooker's green. But what I did to it is I add yellow into the green, plus a little bit of help of white, and turn it into this lime green, which, by the way, is a perfect complementary color to pink. Talk about lime green, if you can see in the reflection, there's probably a small part in the reflection. In this mirror right here, there's a house like right to the front of my house. It's lime green. What a coincidence, huh? And also, there's probably people saying, this is pink, and what does yellow has to do in this? Well, I don't know. To me, this iridescent violet blue sort of has a main color of pink, but then it's sort of shifting in shade into purple, and I figured out that it would be better to complement the purple too, so gotta choose the yellow. So again, in today's video, we're gonna have this as a base, and then I'm gonna have my mixed up lime green, which of course I haven't had water or medium yet, and yellow plus some white to pour. And we're gonna stick with funnel pour here. Still gonna use the same exact method as this one. We'll be using straw to blow the edges. Let's get on with the video, shall we? So there you have it, guys. This is the third installment to the project Unity. Yeah, I love how this turns out, especially, you know, if we, you know, the center part is already good, but here, this space here and this place here is pretty nice. And if you wonder what happened to this part, like after the torch and before I stretch, a piece of paper, you know, was blown onto it, and I took it off. You know, turned this whole part into like mostly yellow. But yeah, I fixed it by, you know, till some of the yellow off, and now it's pretty good. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, hello. You might consider subscribe and click on that bell notification button so that you will be notified next time I post this sort of content. Yeah. Hope you like this one. See you in the next one. See ya.